Good morning, friends. This is Mama. I'm going to make some potato pancakes or potato cakes, however you want to call them. I've got almost a cup of leftover mashed potatoes. I'm going to add an egg, some pepper, some salt. You can chop up an onion in it if you want to, but I don't like a chopped onion, so I'm going to use some onion powder. I don't like for it to take over the taste. And a tablespoon of flour. You can use self-rising or all-purpose. I just use a heaping tablespoonful. Just a little bit of milk as you need it. Just a little bit of cheddar cheese. And now we'll give this a mix-a-runny and see where we're at. I don't care to eat leftovers, but I have found that if you do save them, then you can repurpose them, like the leftover mashed potatoes or the leftover beans for bean cakes. So just save them. This looks good. Got a skillet heating up with some butter in it. I'm going to fry them until they're golden brown on each side. What I like about this too is that it don't make a whole lot. So again, you don't have to worry about leftovers. Just let them brown up and then flip them over and do the same thing to that side. Usually takes 3 or 4 minutes to brown them. Now they're finished. I'm going to take them up, put them on my plate. And here you have it. You can use, or I like, sour cream, salsa. I'm using applesauce this morning because I'm eating it early, like for breakfast. And my taste buds of the morning is off, so I can't take salsa. Delicious. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.